Mga classmates, Jesus again emphasized that it is not our rituals, traditions, or possible pretentious actions of doing good to others that he looks at to be a member of God's club or be his faithful follower. It is the true purity that comes from the heart and intentions. This is where fake it till you make it comes in, mga classmates, because while you're faking it, the things you do that's seemingly good in the eyes of the world, where you can probably be heralded by the world as a saint or even received awards for these good words, won't cut it in the eyes of the Lord. If you are faking it and doing evil works behind the scenes, you may be forgiven. And all these things you've done will always have consequences, mga classmates. You don't get a free ride. You don't say sorry to God and think you can get away with your evil deeds and defying Him while faking it to be for God. You will know once we get into the Bible reading and reflections in the Old Testament that even those He loves and revered as His people do get consequences for the sins committed. What you sow is what you are going to reap. Yes, He is forgiving. But as I mentioned, He is also fair and just. So, you have the free will to choose whatever you want to do with your life. But you have no choice whatsoever in the matter of the consequences of your own actions.